About para 5. Dear students, open your English book and look at para 5. But though I was none the worse for having neglected exercise, I am still paying the penalty of another neglect. I do not know whence I got the notion that good handwriting was not a necessary part of education, but I retained it until I went to England, when later, especially in South Africa, I saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers and young men born and educated in South Africa. I was ashamed of myself and repented of my neglect. I saw that bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of an imperfect education. I tried later to improve mine, but it was too late. I could never repair the neglect of my youth. Let every young man and woman be warned by my example and understand that good handwriting is a necessary part of education. I am now of the opinion that children should first be taught the art of drawing before learning to write. Let the child learn his letters by observation as he does different objects such as flowers, birds, etc. And let him learn handwriting only after he has learned to draw objects. He will then write a beautifully formed hand. Explanation of para 5 with its important points. In para 5, Gandhiji described about his writing. From his school days, he had a wrong notion regarding handwriting, that good handwriting is not a necessary part of education. So, he never tried to write in good handwriting. But that wrong notion changed when he saw the beautiful handwritings of lawyers, young men born and educated men in South Africa. Then he felt ashamed of his bad handwriting and repented or became upset and thought himself as culprit of his neglect. At that time he realized that bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of an imperfect education, and good handwriting is a necessary part of education. So, he warned every young man and woman to focus on good handwriting. Here also he gave his opinion regarding the writing is that first one, children should first be taught the art of drawing before learning to write. And second one, the children learn his letters by observing the different objects. Okay. Summary of para 5 in ओडिया. para 5 रे एम के गांधी वर्णना करिसेंती जे जदियो से व्यायाम को अवहेला करी क्षतिग्रस्त होइथिले किंतु से आउ एक अवहेला पई दंड पाइथिले. अजाणतरे तांको मन मध्यरे गोटे भ्रांत धारणा थिला जे सुंदर हस्ताक्षर शिक्षार एक अंग नुहे, जहाँकि इंग्लैंड जीवा पर्यंत तांको मन मध्यरे रहिथिला. किंतु परवर्ती समय रे से जेतेबेले दक्षिण आफ्रिका जाइथिले सेठाकरे वकील, युवक और शिक्षित व्यक्ति मानकर सुंदर हस्ताक्षर देखि निजे लज्जित हो जाइथिले और निजर अवहेला पाई अनुताप मध्य करथिले. सेतेबेले ही से अनुभव करी कहिथिले असुंदर हस्ताक्षर हेउची दोषयुक्त बा त्रुटिपूर्ण शिक्षार लक्षण. तेणु परवर्ती समय रे से तांकर हस्ताक्षर रे उन्नति करबाकू चेष्टा करथिले, मात्र ताहा खूब डेरी हो जाइथिला. से तांकर युवावस्थार अवहेला को आदौ सुधुरी पारि नथिले. तेणु प्रत्येक युवक युवती तांको उदाहरणरू सतर्क हुअन्तु और बुझंतु जे सुंदर हस्ताक्षर शिक्षार एक अंग अटे. महात्मा गांधी तांकर मत मध्य एठारे प्रकाश करथिले. एक रे पिला माने लिखन शिखिबा पूर्वरु प्रथमे चित्रांकन कला शिखिबा उचित. दुई रे शिशुटी तार पर्यवेक्षण अक्षर गुड़ी को शिखिबा उचित, जेपरी से विभिन्न वस्तु यथा फूल, पक्षी इत्यादि अंकन करे एवं विभिन्न वस्तु आंकिबा शिखिबा परे ही ताकू हस्ताक्षर शिखिबाकू दिया जाऊ. तापरे से निश्चय सुंदर भाव लेखि परिबो बोली मत प्रकाश करथिले. About para 6, Sanskrit however proved a harder task. In geometry there was nothing to memorize, whereas in Sanskrit I thought everything had to be learnt by heart. This subject was also commenced from the 4th standard. As soon as I entered the sixth, I became disheartened. The teacher was a hard taskmaster, anxious, as I thought, to force the boys. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. The Persian teacher was lenient. The boys used to talk among themselves that Persian was very easy and the Persian teacher was very good and considerate to the students. The easiness tempted me, and one day I sat in the Persian class. The Sanskrit teacher was grieved. He called me to his side and said, "How can you forget that? You are the son of a Vaishnava father. Won't you learn the language of your own religion? If you have any difficulty, why not come to me? I want to teach you students Sanskrit to the best of my ability. As you proceed further, you will find in it things of absorbing interest. You should not lose heart. Come and sit again in the Sanskrit class." Explanation of Para 6 with its important points. In Para 6, Gandhiji explained about the subjects and the subject teachers. He explained about the subject geometry, that it is very easy to remember and there is nothing to be memorized. He again explained about Sanskrit and Persian subject, that Sanskrit is a harder task, it is learnt by heart and everything needed to be memorized. The Sanskrit teacher was also very strict, hard taskmaster who forced the child to read the subject. But on the other hand, the Persian subject is very easy to learn and no need to learn by heart. The Persian teacher was also very good and considerate to all the students. So all the students loved to their Persian teacher and they used to sit in the Persian class. Here he also explained about his Sanskrit teacher, that how he motivated him towards liking the Sanskrit subject by heart. Summary of Para 6 in Odia. Para 6 रे महात्मा गांधी तांकर पाठ्य विषय और विषय भित्तिक शिक्षकों कथा वर्णना करिसेंती। से एठारे तीनोटी विषय यथा ज्यामिति, संस्कृत और पारसी विषय रे वर्णना करी कहिसेंती जे ज्यामिति विषयटी अत्यंत सहज, कारण एथिरे कोनोसी जिनिस मुखस्थ करी रखिबाकू पडु नथिला। तांको समय रे संस्कृत विषयटी को पढ़िबा एक कठिन काम बोली धरा जाउथला, कारण एही संस्कृत विषयटी चतुर्थ श्रेणी रु ही पढ़ा आरंभ होउथला एवं जेउथिरे कि प्रत्येक जिनिस को मुखस्थ करिबाकू पडुथला और संस्कृत शिक्षक मध्य कठोर प्रकृतिर थिले, जे कि पिला माननकू पाठ पढ़िबा और प्रत्येक जिनिस को मन रखा बाध्य करुले। अन्य पक्षरे पारसी विषयटी प्रति समस्ते आकृष्ट हो जाउथिले, कारण ताहा सहज थिला, मुखस्थ करिबा बाध्यतामूलक नथिला और पारसी शिक्षक अत्यंत कहल प्रकृतिर थिले, जे कि पिलामानकू स्वाधीनता देउथिले। से कदापि पिलामानकू बाध्य करू नथिले मन रखिबा पई बा मुखस्थ करिबा पई। अन्य पिलांक परि महात्मा गांधी मध्य पारसी श्रेणी रे अध्ययन करुथिले, जाहाकू देखि तांकर संस्कृत शिक्षक व्यथित होइथिले और परे विभिन्न प्रकार कौशल अवलंबन करी महात्मा गांधी को संस्कृत शिखाइबारे सफल होइथिले। About Para 7. This kindness put me to shame. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Today, I cannot but thank with gratitude of Krishna Shankar Pandya, for if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit that I learned then, I should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books. In fact, I deeply regret that I was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of the language. Summary of Para 7 in Odia. Para 7 रे महात्मा गांधी तांकर संस्कृत शिक्षक कृष्णा शंकर पांड्यांक विषय वर्णना करिसेंती। से किपरि महात्मा गांधी को विभिन्न प्रकार कथा बुझेइथिले। गोटे वैष्णव परिवा पई संस्कृतर आवश्यकता कौन, संस्कृत पाठ कौन पई पढ़ा जिबा उचित, संस्कृत पाठर महत्व कौन इत्यादि इत्यादि। संस्कृत शिक्षकों दया भाव से लज्जित हो जाउथिले, तेणु से विद्यालय रे पढ़ुथिबा समय रे तांको शिक्षकों स्नेह को से असम्मान करि पारि नथिले एवं से युवक हैला परे ତାଙ୍କର ଶିକ୍ଷକଙ୍କୁ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ସହିତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ନ ଦେଇ ରହିପାରୁନଥିଲେ, କାରଣ ସେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିପାରିଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେ ପଢ଼ା ସମୟରେ ଯଦି ସଂସ୍କୃତରେ ଅଳ୍ପ ଜ୍ଞାନ ବି ସେ ଆହରଣ କରିନଥାନ୍ତେ ତେବେ ଆମ ଭାରତରେ ଥିବା ପବିତ୍ର ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପଢ଼ିବାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅସମର୍ଥ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତେ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଢ଼ିବାରେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତା। ତେଣୁ ସେ ବଡ଼ ହେଲା ପରେ ଗଭୀର ଅଭାବରେ ଅନୁତାପ କରିଥିଲେ।